everybody, how you guys doing? Today I'd like to share with you a paperback that I have that is called Shimmer Village by DCWV. And this is a 12 by 12 paperback, and it's cardstock and chipboard. And what it is, it makes 15 buildings, 15 trees, and 6 deer. And if you look in the back here, these are all the buildings that it makes. So I think anyway. So what I am, first page is this barn right here. So I'm going to do it with you guys to show you how it works. I've never done it, so we're going to do it together. Let's get going. So here, the first page, I popped out the roof here, and there's a score line there, so I'm assuming I bend those. And no instructions with it, just this, it's like this, and you kind of fiddle with it with what you see, I guess, and try to figure it out. Let me see what I can do here. Okay, we're going to pull this out like so. And pull the bottom out here. And where their score marks are quite well, you can see them quite well. So I should be able to crease it right on the crease line, like this. And again, over here. And again, over here. Yeah, this is a learning curve for all of us. So these are kind of cute, though. I've seen them going. I actually bought it to make it with my granddaughter because she's here every day throughout the summer, pretty much every day, because her parents work. And she didn't quite grab onto it. She's only 9 years old. Wasn't quite her thing, I think, so I didn't bother. So I figured, well, that's fine. I'm going to make it and see how it goes. And here it is. There's one side, and let's do out the other. I'm going to pop out the other side, which is on the same page. And it's exactly the same as what I just finished, except it's the other side of the barn. Let's put this aside. This is garbage. And this is, again, this is score line. They're a bit light, but you can, if I can see them with one eye, I'm sure you guys can see them with both your eyes. And see how it goes. So I'm just folding all the folds here where all the score marks are, like this. And I'm just going to burnish it like this. And this goes like this, and this goes like this. So I'm assuming we are going to glue it like that. So I'm going to take some of my Squan tape. I want a good adhesive tape on this, so I'm going to adhere it like this. And we are going to attach it, I believe, to this side. And oops, I'm going to line it up right on the score mark, which is right there. This should align quite well, as a matter of fact. Like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I have to fix this glare there that I have on this camera. And I do believe it's my windows here that are doing that, so I'm going to have to try to find another background to help for that glare, because it can get annoying for you guys and for me. There you go. So I have this side, and I have this side. So now I have a square box that looks like a barn. Okay? This is the front of the barn here. And I'm assuming, okay, so there's another score mark here. So let me fold this and see where this goes. Let's see. Would it go like this? Yep. Okay. So this is going to mean a little bit of tape onto this side here, onto the pieces where the score marks are. If you have 1/8 of an inch for tape, it should work even better than this one. This one here is a little bigger than 1/8. It's about it's a 1/4 inch. So should have known that, but okay. So let's see. I'm going to adhere this, I'm assuming, like this. And this is the sides. So I'm going to add some more tape on the wings of the roof here, or whatever you would call it. I suppose I could have done that first, but I didn't have a clue how to put them together, and there's no instruction. So it's not rocket science, so I think it should be pretty good. And I'm looking forward to seeing the little village finished, actually. Matter of fact, I think it'd be kind of fun to have it all done up properly. Now, I don't quite get if this goes like this or if it goes flush inside. I just have to check that out later. So let me put some tape on this side. Starting to look like it, though. I'm going to put on two sides. Trying out a new camera today, guys. I'm hoping I work with a laptop and a desktop, or I did work with my desktop. But my desktop is getting pretty old and it was getting pretty slow. So I'm converting, I use both screens, so I'm converting a dual screen with my laptop. And it should do the same. My laptop is much newer. My graphic card is better on it. And when I upgraded some of the software that I was using, it wasn't compatible with my desktop. My desktop was it's almost 10 years old. So I suppose I got my money's worth out of it anyway. It's been all over the place. Every move, every winter we spent in Florida came to it with us. And yeah, it's served its day, that's for sure. Okay, how come I got two edges here? Would that be for that one? I believe this would go here. Whoop. It sure does want to go there, like that. Well, look at that, how easy that is. You don't have butterfingers, you're good. There you go. I think I got it. Pardon me. It's all that concentration I'm putting in. There you go. I think I'm on the right track. Let me see if this is what it's supposed to be. And I suspect, I could be wrong, but I suspect I'm supposed to glue these on the side. Let me see. I think I'm supposed to glue it on the side. Let me check how it looks over here. No, it doesn't look like it's going down. That's strange. Let me see. Maybe it's just supposed to hang there. What do you guys think? Just meant to bend, I think, just to fit on top. I think. And here too. It's just made to fit on top of the barn here. I think I would put glue up here though. So I'm going to try it. And then see how it goes, because it seemed to be flopping a bit. So I don't particularly like that. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but it just looks a little too school level, which is, I'm talking about elementary school, which there's nothing wrong with it, but I'd like to have it a little bit more finesse. Well, it's fairly easy, guys, to put together. It's not rocket science for sure, but there's my roof. There's this side here. It's just to adhere it really, really well. I don't know. I'm just burnishing it for now with my knife here. My burnishing, I mean, scoring. Never did this. I kind of like it. I think it would be, you know, much better if I had done it the roof, like if I'd have put all the masking tape before. But hey, as crafters, we put out fires sometimes. When it doesn't go well, either throw another layer of paper over it, or I'm not a quitter that easy. I like my things to work. And well, like I say, yeah, it's coming around. I don't know why this came apart, but let me see. Should have. Put the score tape there. What did I do? I didn't put any tape there. Okay. Did, but I think when I pulled off the tape, it came off. What do you guys think? Is it turning out so far? Have you ever tried one of these? If so, I'd like to hear some feedback off of it. If you have any suggestions, I'd be open to hear it, that's for sure. And let me see, because I've been seeing a lot of these being made, maybe not this particular one, but people are making these and for Halloween, making villages. And yeah. What do you think? I think it's cute. I think it's really, really cute. Now, there was other pieces to it. Did I throw that out? Oh, right here. And I have no idea what it would be for. Well, I think it's, I believe it's to fit on top of the front here. It's like a wreath with a bow, maybe? If I put it right on top of front of the window. See. Let me see. Suppose I could use my liquid glue for this, but I'm just going to hang it there. Well, look at that. If you don't think that's cute. Isn't that adorable? Adorable, adorable, adorable. And I'm just going to use my pen here to glue the rest of it onto the bottom as a wreath. And you can do what you want with the windows. You can leave them on, or you can pop them out if you wish, because there is cutting lines on it. So I'm not quite sure how it goes. Well, I'm going to work at this because I want to see how that turns out. So when I finish the village, I will show you, but for now, just want to show you how one is made. And it's from DCWV. Isn't that sweet? Huh? It is cute. It is very cute. And you can punch these out, and you can leave your windows, and you could put one of those flickering candles, not the real candles, but the ones by battery. It would make a darling little thing. Well, I've enjoyed this little start. So this is Yvonne, and I'm going to sign up for now, but you guys stick around because come on back, because I'll be having a lot more to share with you and discover other things. Have a great day, but most importantly, be happy.